Hi everyone, I'm Amrit from Malaysia here. I'll be introducing my speaking lesson about describing people, places and things. So I'll be using three tools. The first tool is Googlish, second is Google Maps, and the third one is WhatsApp. And so these tools are quite common to my students as they are using smartphones, laptops, iPads. So they have the knowledge on how to use these tools. So for introduction, this speaking activity lesson is suitable for upper intermediate level and the time approximately about 80 minutes. Enrollment is actually, these activities are for large class for 45 students. The main focus of this lesson is to describe people, places and things. This lesson includes all three stages of activities: pre-speaking activity, while speaking activity and post-speaking activity. So here, as you can see, pre-speaking activity is about involving students how to pronounce adjectives correctly. So I'll be giving them a list of adjectives and they need to check their pronunciation, and later, after they have actually recorded their pronunciation, they will check with Googlish. While speaking will involve them to apply whatever they have learned into speaking activities, such as describing people or describing places, and post will be involving them to describe something, and they will put out the description into a WhatsApp application where the other group members will guess what is the thing. And I think this activity is quite interesting. So the learning outcomes, there are three. It involves pronunciation, it involves describing places, things, people, and so on. Hope you enjoy this lesson. Thank you, everyone.